When dealing with condensation on pipes, contractors know a professional solution is key. Vapco's premium foam tape isn't just a simple wrap. It's a high-performance, closed-cell elastomeric material engineered to be a superior thermal barrier. This tape is designed for easy, self-adhesive application. Its pressure-sensitive adhesive forms a long-lasting bond that won't shrink, dry out, or pull away, protecting against costly callbacks. It stops condensation on both hot and cold pipes, preventing property damage and improving system efficiency. It's paintable, non-corrosive to metals, and can be used on a wide range of surfaces, making it a versatile tool for any job. When more strength is needed, try our Scrim-Reinforced Foam Tape. The Scrim Edition provides exceptional tear and UV resistance, protecting against physical wear and environmental damage from solvents, oils, and even rodents. This extra layer ensures a flawless, long-lasting seal, even in tight or exposed spaces. Using Scrim-Reinforced Foam Tape is a mark of professional craftsmanship, ensuring your work stands up to the toughest conditions. It's the ultimate upgrade for your toolbox, providing a durable, reliable solution that gives you and your customer peace of mind.